Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Scrape. Today I am going to show you how to install Microsoft Power BI on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Power BI download. Hit enter. That will show you this link. Just simply go to the official site of Microsoft.com. So this link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you need to scroll down and you will see this Microsoft Power BI desktop edition. So you have to click on this download button and it's going to immediately start downloading your Power BI desktop edition, and you can see that it is rightly downloaded. Once downloaded, just simply click on this installer. You can minimize your browser. Here is our Power BI installation wizard. Here you can see we have a language drop down, so you can select any language you want from here. So you can see we also have Hindi as well, but I'm going to proceed with English, so I'm going to click on English and I'm going to click on next. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. So welcome to Power BI. Just simply click on next. These are our license agreement. You must read it, accept it and click on next. This is where our Power BI is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. Desktop shortcut also it's going to create. So everything is fine. Just simply click on install. And it's going to immediately start installing our Microsoft Power BI. And there you go. You can see that our Microsoft Power BI is now rightly installed. We have a desktop shortcut also created over here. So you can just simply double click on this desktop shortcut to launch it. Since already this launch Microsoft Power BI option is rightly selected, I can just simply click on finish. That's going to launch our Power BI as well. So here is our Microsoft Power BI. And it has rightly opened. So this is the interface of our Power BI when you install it for the first time. So you can start with a blank report, or you can select other data sources as well, like Microsoft SQL Server or Excel workbook and all that. Right. So that's how I install Power BI. Please do subscribe our Geeky Script channel and also join our community. And do watch our other videos. I'm sure you are going to love them. And if you're interested on Python, so for that also we have this playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyskit.com website. So do check all these different videos. And also don't forget to subscribe. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.